Hello, my name is Ina, and I'm co-founder of Werbot. I will start with the fact that only 7% of companies can exactly name all the people having access to their servers. And server credentials aren't safely stored in files, emails, or Google Docs, or shared with unknown people so often that there should be a simple solution. So this is Werbot. Imagine you are a server owner with several developers working for you. So to securely provide access to your server, you just need to sign up, create a company account, and add there your server informations. Then you can invite your employees, your remote workers, or your freelancers. These people will be able to connect to your server through our platform as soon as you activate the sharing. It is also possible to make some restrictions on your server work, because, for example, you can set working time, or you can grant access only from a specific country or IP address. As you can see here, you can activate or block any user in just one click. Werbot provides a single sign-on to unlimited number of servers so that developers can forget about different passwords, keys, and settings. And also companies and server owners can not only share the success, but also can control the work performed on server with log records and screencasts of every server session. Our product can work as SaaS model or also can be installed on company servers on-premise. We started to work on it in September 2018, and last summer we presented our MVP. And now there are 22 pilots from different software development companies using Werbot. And finally, meet our amazing team having many years of experience in DevOps development and cybersecurity. Join us today and increase the security of your data. Thanks.
Very interesting. Your second last slide answered what was going to be my first question, which was some version of who still uses servers today. But I think, like, obviously banks, financial services, is your target market potentially quite specific in a good way, as in it's quite addressable, people who like are still in a world of managing fleets of servers, people who don't use Amazon or Azure or anything like that?
So yes, our target market is quite specific. We are now focused on enterprise solutions. That's why we're trying to sell to big software development companies, or even software company having more than 1,000 servers to manage. As our product works with all kinds of servers, so there can be cloud servers or physical servers. So we can be also, we can target also smaller companies to medium companies.
Could somebody who uses, say, Amazon or Google Cloud or anything, would they still be customers, or would their own hosting tools be enough?
They also can be our customers, because on our platform you can regroup different servers from different providers. So you will manage it from one place. Cool. And also for your developers, it will be easier because they won't need to have a lot of settings, a lot of different passwords, keys, cool. So on.
How does a company solve this today? Is it truly as you described, that they end up with like emails chains back and forth with credentials, or is there any solution for this at the moment?
Well, actually every company has its own solution, but a lot of companies are still having these passwords in emails and docs and Google Sheets, or for example, they are sharing with even unknown people, with freelancers or with remote workers, which are not belonging to the company's employees. So yes, this problem exists.
When larger companies are considering buying Werbot, I assume they're in some sense they're now adding you to their security posture. So has that put like extra compliance regulations on you? Do you need to be like SOC 2 compliant or anything like that?
Yes, of course, and we are prepared for this, because we understand that these data are very sensitive. So as for security, all the data are encrypted. And for enterprise solution, we are planning to work with the HSM. So it's like to increase the security of the data if in case of the hacks.
For sure. And last question is, how do you intend to attract customers?
Now we are attracting customers from direct sales to our enterprise version. And as we have a SaaS version, so we have a website, we have some promo, we do some emailing campaigns, and so on.
Cool. Excellent. Cool. I have no more questions. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much.